So this movie is a continuation of the last one. We had set the triggers, and now we're the next day. And what I've done is taken snapshots every 5 minutes. Down here in the right-hand corner, you can see that every time I click on the arrow keys, we jump forward 5 minutes in time. So it's like a time-lapse movie in a way. Anyway, so let's progress and see what we're up to. We're looking for a yellow trigger here, yellow trigger here, yellow trigger here, a white trigger, and the yen trades over here are white triggers as well. So 5 minutes later, and we'll just chug through until we see something happening here. And it may look as if it's a long way from yellow, but yes, you'll just wait and see what happens. Okay, so we're chugging along, boom, boom, boom. Okay, there we go. There's a trade right there. So as that's come up to the yellow line, we've had a trade that's automatically executed for us. That's the US Swiss, US Swiss. This is our trade. Stop loss, take profit already placed. And we have a small profit already chugging along. So let's see how this progresses. And you can see here that the candles are going back in the right direction on a buy trade. Up and down as it's reacting to the line. And presto, we're out of the trade. So what we've done is I've gone here from the trade which we were in, and I think I manually closed the trade out, tell you the truth, to the account history. And we can see here the ticket number 411, and again 411, so we got $79 out of that one. We've refreshed the chart and added a new trigger in here, new yellow trigger. And let's see how this progresses. Now the Australian and New Zealand are both coming up to the yellow lines at almost the same time. And hey presto, they both trigger at the same time as well. Now don't forget, once you open a trade, it's going to be negative, obviously, because that's the difference of the spread, the difference between the buy and the sell rate. That's what the brokerage companies and the banks keep. And let's see how this progresses. So what I did is I just zoomed in here a little bit so we can see what's happening. And we'll zoom forward a little bit here. And you can see our amounts here increasing, hopefully. There we go. We're both into positive territory already. Looking good, looking very good. And still up and down and up and down. It hasn't quite closed us out yet. And then, as a matter of fact, I closed it out right here manually. And we've gone from the trade to the account history. And this trade here is 920 and 922. There they are right there. So we picked up another couple of trades. Reset the triggers and so on and so forth here. So for this particular day then, we didn't do too bad with all of those set. We've ended up with 100, 167, 200 and something, 304. That's a 500 plus day on our trades here. Not too bad for setting some triggers and monitoring the charts. So I hope this is giving you some information as to how the trigger trades work and how the SAT system works. We'll be putting a lot more of these videos up as we progress, and we hope it's helpful for you.